For today's video, I'll be giving you a tour of the Renaissance cruise ship. You will be on boarding the ship in the front side of the deck. So you'll be starting in the third floor of the ship. In your check-in, you will be receiving your Renaissance card. They won't be providing you with an ID lace, so you can bring one. Once you have on board the ship, you will be heading towards your cabin deck. Cabins are in 4th floor, 5th, 6th, 9th, and 10th floor. You'll be picking whichever floor you have in your cabin number. So once you step out of the elevator, you will be just walking towards two sides of the ship, on the left or on the right side of the ship. And this is what it looks like when you walk on the left side of the ship. This is the left side of the ship, and this is what it looks like for all of the cabin floors. So you will be most likely be walking towards your room and then swipe your card. Once you reach your room, just insert your card in the hole and open it like so.
And this is what it looks like for the inside cabin room. It has a private toilet and bath, equipped with hot shower and cold shower, daily towels. The place has a decent space, a sofa, coffee table, queen-size bed, makeup mirror.
After you did your lifeboat training, you will see your lifeboat station really close to your room. Just follow the lifeboat station signage that is assigned to you. That usually takes like 1 minute walk. You pass through the first door and then you need to go through a second door. The lifeboat station is at the side of the ship. Just follow the sign and you will find your lifeboat number. You will find the lifeboat station just right outside the deck. And they are just sitting right here. That's your safety boat. After you have fully settled in your room and did your basic lifeboat training, you will most likely be looking for a restaurant and entertainment bars. Let's walk through the whole ship and go straight to the 7th floor, which is the start of the entertainment area. Just press your 7th floor. This is everything that you can find in the ship. At the rear end of the ship, you will see the Batel restaurant. This is the Batel restaurant. It's a fancy restaurant that is included in your ship fee, so you don't have to pay extra. This is the fine dining area, the Batel Grand Restaurant. This is the usual menu that we have. Everything is free aside from your drinks, if you would like some wine. In the 7th floor, you will find the Renaissance Theater as well. Do not miss the daily shows that they provide here every 8:30 in the PM and 10:15 in the PM. It's the same performance every 8 and 10 PM, so you won't have to miss it. It has 2 floors, so it has plenty of seating capacity. Everyone can sit and enjoy their drinks. In the 7th floor, you will see the gallery photos, where they publish all of your pictures throughout your stay in the ship, including all of the excursions that you signed up. At the heart of the 7th floor, you will find the reception area and the excursions booth. So if you have any questions or need to book additional excursions, just head straight ahead to the reception area. In the 7th floor, there is also a movie room.
The movie room is also being used for the cooking show.
I have to take the recipe because between what key thing is to defrost.
On the 7th floor, they also sell some wine from time to time. Now let's head to the 8th floor. The 2nd floor of Renaissance Theater is just sitting right on the 8th floor as well. You will see a duty-free for liquor and tobacco at the 8th floor. They will give your alcoholic purchase drink at the night before you disembark. So please take note of that. They say that they beat the port prices. They also have some small snack store. Beside it is the Masalia Lounge. A lot of event is being done in this stage, like bingo, trivia questions, and some small skits as well. Cozy spot to drink your fancy drink. Masalia is their fancy events lounge. If you walk further, you will see the explorers. You can read all of the books here. Some cozy spot for you to keep quiet on. You can play board games as well in this area, in which you can get all of the board games just right there. And of course, you can still grab a drink here. And you can spend some time playing some puzzles. It's a decent spot for your Zen time. Specialty store Terre is at the 8th floor. The usual menu is just right like this, and you have to pay like around 30 pounds per person extra. Right beside the specialty restaurant is the Aria. Bar Aria is the cozy performance spot for piano. They also conduct French class in this room. Beside it is another room, La Reserve, an elegant spot to drink your wine. At night, there is a piano singer to give you a good lullaby. There will be some duty-free stores as well at the 8th floor. And last room that they have at the 8th floor is another drinking spot. So they have multiple bars at 8th floor.
We're at the top. First up is the main pool. Look for the dolphin statue. It's the go-to landmark up here and the best spot for a quick scan of the deck. Right nearby, you've got the grill serving up free burgers and hot dogs. Simple, delicious, and included. Stick around after sunset, though this whole area transforms into the ship's main party hub under the stars. Heading inside, we have the buffet. It's one of the main dining spots with a massive spread of food and drink options. Perfect for a quick recharge before heading back out. If you want to escape the crowds, head to the back. There's a second pool here and some incredibly cozy beach beds. It's much quieter and has the best views of the ship's wake. Finally, the wellness deck. They've got everything from table tennis and a full gym to a padel court right at the top. But the real winner, the spa. Between the hot stone chairs for muscle recovery and the jacuzzi, it's the ultimate way to unwind. Best of all, it's all included in your ticket. No extra fees for a little luxury. That wraps up our tour. Let me know in the comments which part of the ship you would head first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.